everyone to planet Earth. And there's nothing that you cannot be, do or have. You are a magnificent creator and you are here by your deliberate desire. You have applied your power of creation and therefore you are here. Namaskaram everyone, my name is Vasundhara Talware and welcome to the day 20 of the 22 days challenge of Raise Your Vibrations with me. Today's process is all about creative workshop. Your workshop. And like all other processes, this is most effective when done in writing. So grab a pen and a paper and come back. And this can be as effective when done in the mind as well, when you are alone by yourself, may it be driving, may it be walking, or anywhere where you won't be disturbed. Begin the workshop with 4 pieces of paper. And at the top of each sheet, write these headings: my body, my home, my relationships, and my work. Now focus on the first page, which is my body, and write just below my body, this is what I desire from my body. Do not work too hard on this list. If you cannot think of anything, just move on to the next category and come back to this later. Write a short list of things that immediately come to your mind when you think of what you desire from your body right now. You don't have to list everything. It doesn't have to be a long list. It's just immediate, top of the mind desire from your body. It could be 1, 2, 3, 4, how much ever. Quickly write those down on this paper. It could be as simple as I want to return to my ideal weight, I want to get a great haircut, I want to find a wonderful set of clothes, I want to feel strong and fit. Now that you've written these 4 statements, write down why do you want these in your life. For example, I want to return to my ideal weight because I feel my best when I am at that. Because I'll be able to wear some of my awesome clothes. Because it'll be fun to shop for a new wardrobe. The next statement that we took here as an example was, I want a new haircut. Why? Because I want to look good. Because a great haircut is much easier to manage. When my hair is cut well, it takes less time to look good. So these could be some of the reasons why you want what you want. So you're going to do this for all the statements you've written and write down why do you want that. And that why could be 1 reason, 2 reasons, 3 reasons. Just go on, start pouring and be quick. Don't get into listing out everything. You're going to do the same thing with your category 2 with regards to your home, with the 3rd category with regards to your relationship, and the 4th category with regards to your work. So when it comes to your home, you could say, I want to own some really cool furniture, I want to get more organized, I want some amazing, beautiful looking tile in my bathroom, and so on and so forth. And write down the reason why. Why do you want a beautiful looking tile in your bathroom? Why do you want to be more organized? Write down the whys. Now the reason why you do this exercise is because when you are asking for something, you're putting out your desire. You're asking to the universe for it to shower its blessings upon you. But when we look at the allowing factor that we saw in the previous video also, we are resisting allowing what we are asking. We are our own enemies. But when we write down why we want something, our resistance goes down. So why do I want a fitter body? Why do I want to look better? Why do I want a higher paycheck when it comes to work for that matter? Or why do I want to spend more time with my loved one? Because, and you write down your reasons. Because I feel amazing, we bond better, we can share great hour time, together time, create a stronger relationship, sort out some issues, and create more love between us, and so on and so forth. So just top of the mind recall, why do I want a higher paycheck? So that I can lead a more comfortable and a secure life in the future, or maybe I can afford something that you want. And the whys, when they are in place, reduce your resistance and the allowing becomes easier. So that's what this exercise is all about. I request you to practice this at least once a week for the first 1 month, and then go on to practicing it once a month for the whole year, and see how things start changing in your space. Things start manifesting in the direction you have written them down. Just experience it on your own to know what I'm saying. Try it because I know it works. Let me know if you've liked this video and click on the like button. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, your experiences once you've done this activity today. Let me know, and I'm so excited to read them all. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click on the bell button if you would love to be kept posted on all my amazing upcoming videos for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I love you very, very much. Mwah.